Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Welcome to Black Diamond FX Live. Been a while since I did a live stream, you guys, so y'all might have to bear with me for a little bit. Let's see. I'm trying to get a little more, get some more people up in here. Let's see if I can share this right quick. Just bear with me for a second. All right. Share this in my group with my students who's ever up. Boom. All right. So tonight, what I will be doing is going over how I find my trades. All right. Now, for those of you that don't know, I trade futures. I still trade forex, but I mainly have shifted over the futures. All right. So let's take a look. You don't mind my hair. I kind of not too long ago got out of the shower, had to wash it and all that. But this ain't about me. This is about you guys. All right. This is about me helping you guys. So let's go. All right, so the first thing I do, hold on a second. Now, I don't know if you guys ever heard of this. It's called candle range theory. Now, I've been trading liquidity sweeps for several years now. I had no idea it was called the way that I trade liquidity sweeps is called candle range theory. All right. I had no idea that's what it was called. I just happened to find out like a few months ago that guys are calling it candle range theory. But I've been trading like this for several years and doing very well with it. All right. Now I do trade it a little bit differently than I was trading it a little bit differently than the way those guys have been doing it. But I kind of checked out the videos and I like what I see from some of the guys. So I kind of adopted that and still have been doing pretty good with it. But the first thing I do, I start on a higher time frame. All right. And on that higher time frame, I'm looking for two things. Well, sometimes, well, mainly three things, but two things. Two things. The third is, all right. But I'm looking for number one, the direction of the market. All right. So this is S&P 500, and I want to see the direction. So as you guys can see, I have my 50 moving average on. If you guys don't know, when the candles are above the 50 moving average, that tends to tell us it's an uptrend. And when the candles are below the 50 moving average, that tends to tell us that we're in a downtrend. All right. So um, now we know the market is bullish. All right. So the next thing I look for is a liquidity sweep. Now this is you can find it either on from the 4 hour all the way up to the monthly. I prefer the higher time frames. Now I've tested it on lower time frames. It does work, but the higher time frames are more powerful and you can catch better moves. They hold more weight, and the chances of you having a successful trade are a bit higher. All right. So let me show you what I look for when I'm looking for a liquidity sweep. Excuse me. This is what I want to see. All right. So you see how we got this candle here, right? We got this top wick and this bottom wick. And see how the next candle wicked below the bottom, but it came back inside of the range of this candle between the top and bottom wick. That's what we look for. We want to see that sweep. We want to see that liquidity sweep. All right. So I mark it with a horizontal rate. Boom. And a boom. All right. So now that we've marked it, now I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour and kind of see what it looks like. All right. Because the next thing I'm going to look at is where we swept the liquidity right down there. All right. And that's why we're going to start looking for our entry at. Okay. So normally I would go straight to the 15-minute time frame. Hold on a second. Looks a little choppy right there. All right. And on a 15-minute time frame, what I like to look for is a smaller 15-minute sweep inside of that 4 hour sweep. And as you can see, we got it right here. Now, you might not always see it. Hold on a second. I'm trying to get this to expand. I'm trying to get it to expand. I don't know what's going on with my computer. It's not doing what I want it to do. It's not moving like I want it to move. All right. So as you can see, this is where the sweep came, and then we got another smaller sweep here, right here on the 15-minute time frame, and we marked that. All right. And then once we get that sweep, this candle, this sweep, the candle that got swept pretty much becomes your order block, and we take the trade right up in here. Pretty simple, right? And our target, we can target. Now for this, the way they do it, the guys target that opposite range, that top side that we marked. A lot of times I like to target a high, right? So say for instance, let's see, where were we? Let me do this right quick. All right. So my target, see that they like to target this high right here. Let's go back to the 4. Let's go back to the daily. All right. So they will target the high of this candle. Me, I target this high up here. All right. This will be my target. And as you can see, price smashed through it. All right. And check this out. Because I always like to show the numbers. Like one of my students, Devrin, show the numbers on that. All right. And when she say the numbers, she's talking about the potential profit. So sound like my son is home from the football game. So let me show y'all. I'm gonna go from, that's my target, and I'm gonna go from, let's go from the order block from right here at 5740.9. So I'm gonna do a buy limit. 5740.9. Yo, what's up, buddy? I've been gone for hours. How was the game? We won. Y'all won? What's the score? 32-28. Awesome. They won their game, the last game of the season. Congratulations. I think they're gonna miss the playoffs this year, though. But it was a good season. He enjoyed it, had fun. All right. So now my take profit is gonna be 5927.25. 27.25. As you can see, I have 2 contracts in it right here. And oh wait, hold on. 5927.25. Boom, $18,625. That would have been your profit. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know I didn't make that on there because I am currently trading in a prop firm. And prop firms don't let you hold trades from day to day. All right. So I like to get out my trades. I like to be out my trades like about 2:30. If it's running, I'll let it go to about 3. But normally about 3:15, and I'm talking Eastern time, they'll kick you out of they'll liquidate you. All right. They automatically liquidate you. So this trade would have went up to about right here somewhere. Right here. When the day closed. All right, 5823.25 for a profit of $8,225, which is still awesome. All right. I mean, and that's pretty much it, y'all. That's how I do my trades. That's how I take my trades. It's simple, very, very simple. It's not complicated at all. The only thing is you have to be patient. All right. You have to be patient. You have to wait. Just kind of practice in your demo accounts, right? Practice in your demo account, your paper trading. You can paper trade right here on TradingView. All right. But I just wanted to show that to you guys. If you have any questions, you can hit me on the email, blackdiamondfx@yahoo.com. If you want to learn and join the team, send me an email, a DM, or whatever. All right. I'm on Instagram, blackdiamond_FX. And I will respond to you promptly. All right. And you guys have a great night. I will talk to you later. Deuces.